and welcome back to our math series. Still continuing with paper 1, June 2023, question 1. So we have this equation. As you can see, this equation is not in its standard form, in the quadratic standard form. So the quadratic standard form, just to remind ourselves, we have ax squared plus bx is equals to it's plus c is equals to 0. So it's supposed to be like this. So in order for us to get this equation to be like this, we need to remove all brackets. So the first thing we notice is that we have a square root. So in order to do that, let me just rewrite this thing. It's 2, 1 minus x. This goes all the way, then is equals to x minus 1. So what we do is we square both sides. So remember, you don't just square each element on the other side, you square the whole thing. So we have that is squared, and then which means this square is going to cancel out this power. So we'll have 2 1 minus x, right? And then that will be equals to x squared. So we can also expand this as x minus 1 times x minus 1. So now let's just scroll down. So now we have that. So we can multiply these two. These two will go in here, multiply by that, and also go there. So we'll have 2 minus x minus 2x, 2 minus 2x, and then this will be equals to, this will multiply here and again multiply here. We'll have x squared, then this times that, it's minus x, right? Then this one will multiply here and multiply this side. So remember, a number always goes with its sign on the left, which is this one. So it's minus 1 times x, which is minus x. Then it's minus 1 times minus 1, which is plus 1, right? So what we have now, we have x squared minus x minus 2x, this plus this, 2x, so collecting like terms, then plus 1. Then we have 2 minus 2x. Then what you can do is, if a number has similar sign and are on the opposite side, so you can just cancel them out, or you can do it the manual way. You want to move this one to the other side, so you add 2x, you add 2x here. So now we have 2, we have 2, this will give us 0, then is equals to x squared, this will give us 0 plus 1. So now we can subtract the 2 from this side. Remember, we need to have this equals to 0, at least one side equals to 0 according to the standard quadratic formula. So now we subtract 2 this side, we subtract 2 this side, then we'll have 0 this side, we have x squared plus 1, and then sorry, no, it's not plus 1, it's minus 1 actually. It's 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So now immediately when you look at this, you can see that this is squared, right, and this is a subtraction, and this can be squared. It makes no difference. So if we have something like this, you can solve it using a difference of two squares, because it's the difference of x squared and the difference of 1 squared. So how do we do that? We have 0 here, it's x, we just put plus, remove this, and then we just put that. Then the other one, you use a different sign. So this is how you always do it. If you have a difference of two squares, you can expand it like this. Then, which means our x will be equals to 1, or x is equals to -1. So how do we know that this is true? We can go back to this equation and substitute.